Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marinara sauce without canned tomatoes. We begin by selecting the freshest, ripest tomatoes available, as they are the star of our dish. To prepare them, simply blanch the tomatoes in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This makes peeling and coring them a breeze. Once peeled, roughly chop your tomatoes, and they are ready for the next step. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our delicious sauce. In a large pot, gently sauté finely chopped aromatics, such as garlic and onion, in a generous 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are translucent and fragrant. For a subtle warmth, add a small pinch of red pepper flakes. Deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of red wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Then simmer until the liquid reduces and the vegetables are tender. With our flavor base established, it is time to introduce the fresh tomatoes. Add your roughly chopped tomatoes to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Incorporate a handful of fresh basil leaves and 1 bay leaf to infuse the sauce with herbaceous notes. Allow the sauce to simmer gently over low heat for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your homemade marinara is almost complete. Before serving, remember to remove the bay leaf. For a smoother texture, you can blend about 1/3 of the sauce using an immersion blender or a regular blender, then stir it back in. For an extra touch of richness and a beautiful sheen, swirl in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. This fresh, vibrant marinara is perfect over your favorite pasta, as a pizza base, or as a delightful dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.